Today we have given recruitment to 342 faculty members for the engineering colleges and polytechnics of Assam. Assam government has promised 1 lakh employment in the government sector. Today I am very happy to say that we have crossed 1,21,000. We have so far given employment to 1,21,000 youth in the government sector. I believe that by October we'll be able to give employment to another 40,000-50,000 youth, and this shows that how we are committed for overall improvement of the state of Assam. Aji ami polytechnic aru engineering college samuhor babe 342 jon probokta librarian adir ami nijukti korilu 1 lakh nijuktir সংখ্যাই 1,21,000 অতিক্ৰম কৰিলে অক্টোবৰত আমাৰ আৰু নিযুক্তি হ'ব 10 অক্টোবৰত গতিকে মই নিশ্চিত যে আমি নিযুক্তি 1.5 লাখতকৈ ওপৰলৈ লৈ যাব পাৰিম হ'ব।